How to hide your profile photo on Telegram. If you want to hide your profile photo entirely from Telegram, this video is for you. Remember, your profile picture can be used for the wrong purpose if it falls in the wrong hand. So on your Telegram app, navigate to the top left corner where you see these three ellipses and click on it. Then mark the list of menus here, continue to click on settings. And with this selected, scroll down a bit until you locate privacy and security. And then again under privacy and security, when you scroll down a bit, you could see profile photos. Make sure to click on it. Then under who can see my profile photos, we have the option to make it everybody, my contact, or nobody. In this case, since we want to hide it from anybody, all you have to do is continue to select on nobody. Then make sure to tap on this checked mark to confirm it. That's it. You have successfully hidden your profile photo on Telegram. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.